To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Accept, accept. In this video, we will learn the difference between these two words. Accept. Accept is a verb. It can mean to agree to something, to believe something, or to receive something. For example, she accepted the job offer. He accepts that he isn't always right. Can you accept my apology? Accept. Accept can be a preposition, conjunction, or a verb. As a preposition, it means but. As a conjunction, it means only or with the exception. Except is often followed by that, if, or when. For example, everyone except Sam is coming to the party. I would have gone to school today, except that I wasn't feeling well.